Next game. Oh yeah, this is sound effects. This is going to be played by Rebecca and Harris. And for this game, this is a very special game. We're going to need 2 audience volunteers. Is Rocco in here? Andrew Perlman. So, with the help of our honorary Puritans right here, these guys are going to... These 2 people, who still in the green shirts, are going to be performing a scene in which there are going to be certain times when they're going to be doing things that require some sound effects. And these 2 lovely volunteers are going to be making the sounds that they think the situation calls for. So, David Tosiel, you're going to make the sounds that Rebecca may need, and...
If I unzip a zipper, what are you going to do?
That'll work!
Yeah,
What's my noise?
Yeah, what?
What noise am I making?
No, you make any noise that makes sense. It's improv for you too. Okay, we're gonna need a location suggestion for these guys.
Subway station! One of those grimy bathrooms at a gas station. Just gonna get out.
What? The Bronx Zoo. Okay, we're gonna go with the Bronx Zoo. Whenever these guys are ready, you guys gonna make any sound that makes sense for your respective person, okay? Not that they're gonna speak and everything, just so you know. Ready? When you guys are ready, you make me.
Sing!
Wow, this crying baby exhibit is like... Yeah, let's feed them, let's feed them. Hoping you wouldn't ask. I was really hoping you wouldn't ask.
Hey, get it together, Steve.
Okay. I don't know, I think you guys should do some ballroom dancing. It helps the cardio, think about it.
Alright. Wait, now I can use props on the floor. Come on. Oh my god. Wait, now I can finally use the music thing we were talking about.
No, it doesn't work. I told you it doesn't work. You can't bring a music thing every time you
Alright, fine, yeah, I got a boombox.
Okay. I don't like that song.
Yeah, change it up. Go, Betty.
Oh, that's better. She's my trap queen, then.
Next one.
Coochie down to my socks like I'm Biggie Papa.
I think so.
Hey, stop. Turn it off.
Keep it going!
Keep your girl, eh?
Alright, like we're practicing in the living room, right?
Yeah. The music keeps turning. Oh my god, someone.
When a man loves a woman.
Do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman? I don't know the rest of the words.
Directions!
Okay, you're gonna take 2 steps to the right.
Alright.
Slide to the left. Slide to the right. 1 hop this time. 4 hops this time. 16 hops this time. Keep hopping, come on.
This relationship is broken! Let me address the other talking man! What? What do we do?
Don't break up with her.
This is a dud, it's a dud, it's a dud. I can kill it just like our
Do you wanna build a snowman? See my trap queen that is.
Oh my god, that is a squadron of bombers heading towards us. Alright, we're safe down here. We're safe down here. Alright, Fred, what do we do now?
You must escape.
How?
You have to walk away slowly backwards. Backwards! Slower!
Faster, do it faster.
Jesus.
Little bit faster.
Faster, yeah.
Wait, what would Jesus do?
Let's have a wonderful. Is this all? Oh, this one's